IMO Sulfur Cap 2020 calls for vessel fuel sulfur content not to exceed 0.5%.
What does the area on the map shown in dark blue color mean?
The area is called ECA, Emission Control Area, and designated as such by MARPOL Annex 6.
So if operator starts OX number 3 engine in the current state, would DA004A move to open and DA004B to close?
For preabsorber, use one machine for A and the other for B. 1. Insert lifting clamp at A and B. Gas pulled through gas probe flows to gas analyzer through SV2 solenoid valve. Gas conditioner. Sampling pump. Hold the handle and pull the filter out. You can see the filter covered with black soot. Fill water in the bucket and add detergent. Soak the filter in the water long enough and then brush it.
To clean it, remove turbidity sensor from flow cell, right?
Right. Remove collected substances from the bottom sensing part and clean the sensing part with soft cloth. For cleaning, remove sensors first and then disconnect sensor connectors from flow cell and remove holder and cover and other parts. Let's look at case 1. First, to replace mist eliminator, D part on the screen. Open M4 manhole cover. Almost the same, but their fail position is different. When the scrubber is off, the intake damper closes but the bypass damper is opened. At this point, the exhaust gas bypasses the scrubber and flows straight out directly to the ship stack.